A comfortable ride and spacious interior define the capable 2012 Honda Ridgeline. This four-door, five-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor.
It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Available accessories allow easy storage for all your recreational needs, such as the motorcycle wheel guide and the snowboard roof rack attachment. The lockable in-bed trunk offers storage for your cooler and gear in a hidden compartment. Underbody vehicle components are protected by the skid plates, allowing this vehicle to overcome difficult off-road terrain.
The well-appointed cabin prioritizes storage and convenience. You'll notice that the headroom and legroom make even the longest drives enjoyable. Honda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear step bumper, a bed liner, and more. Models equipped with the navigation system also include Bluetooth capability and a backup camera. Other available features include leather upholstery, automatic temperature control, and others depending on your trim configuration.
The stability control system helps maintain control when cornering too quickly or swerving suddenly. The 2012 Honda Ridgeline. Versatility redefined.